Good afternoon, students. Let's continue with simple present. Yesterday I gave you the formation of affirmative and negative and interrogative sentences. Okay? Affirmative sentences are the positive statements. In negative sentences, we have to add do not or does not according to subject. Okay? Do not or does not, they are put according to the subject. I, all the plurals and you, they carry do. Make it a rule and try to understand that whenever we are going to write a sentence of present simple in negative, हम जब ये कहें कि मैं ऐसा नहीं करता हूँ या ऐसा नहीं करती हूँ, तब हमें किस तरह से सेंटेंस बनाना है. You have to remember that. Actually, you generally comment at the helping part, helping verb, that is do or does. Do and does. Helping verb do is used while making the negative of singular noun, and this does is used with singular nouns and do is used with all the plural nouns I and you, whether they are similar. You चाहे सिंगुलर है तब भी उसके साथ do आएगा. I do not go to market. I do not like coffee. But in singular nouns, this form of the verb does, helping verb does is used. She does not like swimming. She does not like coffee. Okay? This negative formation is used to make sentences in negative form by adding the word do not or does not. Remember कि बिना हेल्पिंग वर्ब के हम किसी अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस को नेगेटिव में नहीं चेंज कर सकते. रिमेंबर दिस. नाउ कम टू दिस exercise on page number 85, that is let's practice. First sentence, this dress is for party. Its negative is, here is this negative sentence. In first sentence, first blank you have to write the negative sentence of this. This dress is for the party. So we have to write this dress is not. We have added this word not with the helping verb. This dress is not for the party. And in interrogative sentences, as I told you, helping verb is put at the beginning of the sentence. Is, we have to start here from this place. Is this dress for the party? We have to write this way. The second sentence is he goes to the park. This is an affirmative sentence. वो पार्क जाता है, डेली जाता है. He goes to the park. It is an affirmative sentence. So, while we are making its negative, we are going to use this helping verb does or not add kara, and we have used the root form of the verb go. Okay? Goes का जब es है उसको remove करना है हमें. Okay? Here try to understand. Sentence में affirmative में goes था. इस goes का हमें es delete करना है. We have to use root form of the verb go, and we have added does not. He does not go to the park. Interrogative will park. Okay? Helping verb does is put at the beginning of the sentence. Does he go to the park? Fine? I hope you are getting, all of you are getting what I want to convey. In the next sentence, she watches Hollywood movies. She watches Hollywood movies. Now, we have to add this helping verb does and not is added in the negative sentence. She does not. Now, in affirmative sentence, we have the verb watches. अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस में हमें सिंगुलर नाउन्स के साथ एस और ई एस लगाना है. आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? इन अफर्मेटिव सिंगुलर नाउन्स वी हैव टू यूज एस और ई एस विद द वर्ब. एंड इफ वी आर चेंजिंग द सेम सेंटेंस इनटू नेगेटिव, जो मेन वर्ब का एस या ई एस है उसको रिमूव करना है और उसको हेल्पिंग वर्ब डज नॉट ऐड करके वॉच का रूट फॉर्म हमें वॉचेस का ये ई एस हमें रिमूव कर देना है. ओके, वॉचेस का ई एस हमें हटा देना है. हमने डज नॉट लगा दिया तो हमें वॉचेस नहीं लिखना है, तब हम वॉच मीन्स रूट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब यूज करेंगे. ओके, नाउ इन द इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस does is put at the beginning of the sentence. Does she watch Hollywood movies? Does she watch Hollywood movies? Fine. It will become an interrogative sentence. In interrogative sentences, we must put sign of interrogation at the end. Okay? In the next sentence, it is they do not eat breakfast at, means this sentence they eat breakfast at 8 a.m. Okay? They do not. They is plural pronoun. Okay? They is a plural pronoun and we have to use do. Does use नहीं करेंगे they के साथ. They do not eat breakfast at 8 a.m. But in next exercise, do they eat breakfast at 8 a.m.? This helping verb is put at the beginning of the sentence. Okay. Now we come to the next sentence, that is the boxing champion comes from Punjab. Okay. In E exercise, a boxing champion is a singular noun. Okay, so we are going to use does as a helping verb. The boxing champion does not, in negative sentence, because it is a singular noun, does not come from Punjab. Okay, does not come from Punjab. And if we are going to make it negative sentence, we have already a helping verb does. The boxing champion come from Punjab. Punjab is the name of a state of our country. Does the boxing champion come from Punjab? Add interrogative sign at the end. Okay. So I hope all of you are getting what is conveyed in this exercise, in the sentences. In the next sentence, in the F sentence, Mr. Arora cleans his house every day. F sentence, Mr. Arora cleans. So what is the subject? Mr. Arora. It is singular noun. Cleans his house every day. So it is a singular noun. So we have to add the helping verb does not. Mr. Arora does not clean his house every day. Okay? And in interrogative sentence, this helping verb will be put at the beginning. Does Mr. Arora clean his house every day? Okay? This is the exercise on page number 85. Now we have to come to page number 86, that is exercise number 2. This was exercise number 1 and we have to make WH questions for the same. Okay students, in second exercise, A, he sings. This is the affirmative sentence and we have to make a WH question. It carries WH with the answer will be he. So who, what will be the answer? हमें WH वर्ड में क्या लिखेंगे? Who sings and interrogative sign. Okay? This will be the interrogative WH question of the sentence. Second, fee. They play. And its interrogative will be who plays. हमें ये आंसर लाना है. तो क्या आएगा? Who plays. वर्ब के साथ हमें S लगाना है. Whether this noun is plural or singular doesn't matter. We have to use this verb as or es form of the verb. You dance. Then WH question, who dances? Then interrogative sign. In D sentence, children cry. Who cries? Then in E exercise, the baby smiles. Who smiles? The answer is the baby. What will be the answer? Who smiles? In F, this one is F. In E, birds fly. What will be its interrogative verb? Who flies? Flies. Okay? F and Y. Y हटाकर हम IES लगाएंगे flies में. Now reverse flow. In F, reverse flow. Reverse flow. Plural noun है. But आंसर क्या आ रहा है? रिवर्स बहती है. क्या बहती है? रिवर्स बहती है. So this will be the answer of what? What flows? In G exercise, G sentence, then the sun rises. The sun rises. What rises? Okay, so these are the sentences that start with WH word. So take care. Now I am going to tell you or to teach you how to change the one sentence into all types of sentences. Look, we can take one example. She sings. Okay? He sings. This one is sentence. This is an affirmative sentence. It is singular noun and the verb will carry S or ES in it. So sing carries S in it. He sings. Negative will be he. Then the helping verb does not will be written. Does, because it is a singular noun. He does not sing. Okay? This will be its negative one. In interrogative one, same sentence can be changed. Does, this helping verb will be put at the beginning. Does he sing? Now remember children, this sings का हमने s हटाना है जब हमने does लगा दिया. When does is put at the beginning, we have to use interrogative sign at the end. Does he sing? Okay. Again, WH type question. WH question. He sings. What are we going to write? Who sings? Okay. So I hope you are getting what I mean to say. He sings. He does not sing. Does he sing? And who sings? Now let's have another example with plural subject. The babies smile. Okay, this is the simple example. The babies smile. The subject is plural. So what helping verb we are going to take in making negative sentence is, negative में क्या लिखेंगे आप? Helping verb do. The babies do not, okay, smile. The babies do not smile. In interrogative sentence, this helping verb will be put at the beginning. Do the babies smile? Okay, do the babies smile? And WH question will be who smiles? This is the way to change an affirmative into negative and interrogative sentences. Affirmative sentence is a positive statement, एक ordinary statement होता है, like I play hockey every day. Okay, these are all affirmative sentences जिनमें जो सेंटेंस एक ऑर्डनरी स्टेटमेंट, एक ऑर्डनरी वर्ब के साथ कन्वे किया जाता है, वो सारे अफर्मेटिव स्टेटमेंट्स होते हैं. फाइन. So I hope all of you have understood what has been taught to you in present simple tense and its negative, how to make their negative and interrogative sentences.